Today we have a 1995 Porsche 993 RS. It's about as special as you could get. It is one owner from new, all original paint, service records, the more comfortable version of a 993 Club Sport, of which we also have in Autosport inventory at the moment. So, two special 993 RSs, both yellow, but that little bit different. We're going to take this one for a ride. Okay, well, here's our cold start, and there's an immobilizer in the ashtray. So click that puppy, start the car, close the ashtray, let's put the handbrake down, and let's get on the road. Let's warm her up, make sure we get out of the driveway properly. Special in anyone's book, the 993 RS. Great colors, great history, big pothole. Missed the crater. As you can see, this is what would be the standard street version, not the Club Sport. So I personally like it because you do have air conditioning and a bit of comfort along with the speed and the handling. You do have a radio, which we can turn on if you'd like, but it is a Porsche and it does work. Electric windows, and you hear less of the entire mechanics of the car that you hear in a Club Sport that is more of a race car and without any sound deadening. It has a nice horn. Heater that's working at the moment very nicely. A 6-speed manual gearbox. But it still revs like an RS does, the 3.8 with a light flywheel, and as you'll see in a little while, it goes really, really well. Regardless of its race heritage, it is a great street car. All the gauges are working, all the functions, the entire interior are working. Flyby's up next. Heading to the farm road, at which point we will do our usual, go through it, show you a little power, and bring it home, wash her up, and put her in the showroom. I'm not really sure what else we could tell you other than I personally believe you're going to be hard-pressed to find another 993 RS in original ownership and in this condition, with first paint, original paint, with only the slightest wear anywhere. So it has been extremely well cared for and kept and driven. And it's got every receipt from new. So it's documented extremely well. Farm road it is. First gear, second gear, third, fourth, so you see it works, fifth, sixth, which is cruising altitude, which you're really not going to use around town. Let's go up to third. If we really want to go, let's go to second. as you can see, she does everything that Porsche intended it to do in speed, grace, and style. So, I think she's a good girl. We're going to take her home. Once again, hope that everyone enjoyed the road test, the flybys, and if anyone has any questions, you know where to find us.